What is LVP?
Hello everybody, in today's video we're going to be giving you a rundown of the basics of luxury vinyl flooring.
Before we get started, be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring that bell for notifications on our latest videos.
Vinyl flooring is constructed of several layers, the topmost usually being a UV coating.
This coating protects the visuals from fading caused by the sun's damaging rays.
Next we have the wear layer, crafted from a clear urethane coating.
This wear layer protects the flooring from scuffs, scratches, and stains, all while allowing the beautiful visuals to shine through.
Speaking of visuals, the next layer provides high-quality printed images of wood or stone, providing versatility for your space.
This versatility ensures a stunning appearance for your floors, no matter what your aesthetic is.
Beneath the visual layer is the core, a robust layer that provides stability and durability.
There are two types of cores in luxury vinyl flooring: WPC and SPC, each featuring its own set of advantages and disadvantages, which we'll discuss in a future video.
Below the core layer is the underlayment, typically a softer layer that provides noise dampening, insulation, and comfort underfoot.
These layers work together to ensure the floor's longevity and durability.
Modern luxury vinyl flooring is more durable than its predecessors, maintaining its beautiful visuals through wear and tear.
Thanks to its vinyl properties, luxury vinyl flooring is effectively waterproof, making it an excellent choice for bathrooms, kitchens, and other moisture-prone areas.
It also resists accidental stains from spills and messes, making it easy to clean and maintain.
This makes luxury vinyl ideal for busy households with kids or pets.
However, it's important to note that this flooring can still be damaged if water seeps through any gaps in the planks.
Therefore, installing the flooring according to the manufacturer's specification is crucial, and hiring a professional is highly recommended.
If you prefer to install it yourself, most luxury vinyl features a click or floating installation system, which is user-friendly for DIY projects.
Now let's talk about the cost of luxury vinyl.
Luxury vinyl is a cost-effective alternative to hardwood or tile, allowing you to achieve the beautiful look of hardwood without breaking the bank.
With the perfect combination of versatility, durability, and beauty, luxury vinyl flooring is the ideal high-quality choice that will meet your needs.
And that's luxury vinyl. Thank you everyone for watching today's video. We hope you enjoyed it.
If you did, please let us know in the comment section down below and subscribe to our YouTube channel for notifications on our future videos.
And until next time,
stay on trend with FloorCast.